Welcome back to our React Native series. In this exercise, we will focus on rendering a list of products with their prices using the map function within a scroll view. You can use the GitHub link to clone this project. This technique is not just limited to rendering text. It's a versatile solution for creating lists of any component in React Native. Let's get started and see how it transforms our data into a scrollable list. You can take products and use the map function and product. You can log the product and check. You can check the terminal. For each product, we will return a view component with a key prop set to products ID for React's reconciliation process .id, and you can give this style styles.product. And inside this view, you have to add two text components, one for the product name and another for the price. You can add product name style here. Product name. Product price. Let's add a small padding here. All right. We now have a scrollable list displaying our products and their prices. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.